When you think about the human body, you probably imagine a single living organism, one body, one identity, one system. But modern science reveals something far more shocking. You are not just human, you are a walking ecosystem. Inside and on your body live trillions of microscopic organisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that collectively outnumber your own human cells. In fact, scientists estimate that the human body contains about 100 trillion microorganisms, representing more than 10,000 different species. This invisible world is called the human microbiome, and it plays a critical role in your health, survival, and even your diseases. Today, we explore how many bacteria live in the human body, which ones are beneficial, which ones are dangerous, and how these microorganisms can either protect or destroy human health. The human microbiome, a living ecosystem. The human microbiome is the collection of all microorganisms living in and on the human body. These microbes are found in the gut, intestines, the skin, the mouth, the respiratory tract, the urogenital system. The largest population exists in the digestive system, especially the intestines, where trillions of bacteria help break down food and regulate immunity. Scientists now consider the microbiome almost like a hidden organ because of its essential role in health. How many bacteria live in the human body? For many years, scientists believed bacterial cells outnumbered human cells by 10 to 1. Newer research suggests the ratio is closer to 1 to 1, meaning roughly 30-40 trillion human cells and a similar number of bacterial cells. However, microbial genes still vastly outnumber human genes, meaning microbes contribute significantly to how our body functions. Beneficial bacteria, the body's invisible defenders. Not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, most are essential for life. Let's look at some of the most important beneficial bacteria. Lactobacillus, found in yogurt, fermented foods, the gut and reproductive tract. Functions. Helps digest lactose milk sugar. Produces lactic acid to prevent harmful bacteria growth. Supports gut balance and immunity. Bifidobacterium, found in large intestine. Functions. Strengthens the immune system. Helps digest dietary fiber. Produces vitamins like B complex nutrients. Non-harmful strains of Escherichia coli, E. coli, found in intestines. Functions. Produces vitamin K. Helps maintain gut health. Supports digestion. Important, only specific strains are beneficial. Some strains are extremely dangerous. Streptococcus thermophilus, found in dairy products. Gut flora. Functions. Helps break down lactose. Supports digestion of dairy foods. The balance of life good versus bad bacteria. A healthy body depends on a delicate balance between beneficial bacteria, good microbes, opportunistic or harmful bacteria, pathogens. When this balance is maintained, digestion improves. Immunity strengthens. Inflammation is reduced. But when disrupted, disease begins. Infections spread. Chronic illness can develop. This imbalance is known as dysbiosis. Once dangerous bacteria, the deadly pathogens. Now let's explore some of the most dangerous bacteria known to science organisms that can cause severe disease or death. 1. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, TB bacteria. One of the world's deadliest infectious bacteria. Effects on the body, attacks the lungs, causes chronic coughing, sometimes with blood, leads to weight loss, fatigue, fever, can become fatal if untreated. Transmission, airborne droplets from coughing or sneezing. 2. Vibrio cholerae bacteria, effects on the body, severe watery diarrhea, extreme dehydration within hours, electrolyte imbalance, can cause death without rapid treatment. Transmission, contaminated water and food, 3. Salmonella species. Effects on the body: food poisoning, high fever, abdominal cramps, vomiting and diarrhea. Transmission: raw eggs, undercooked meat, contaminated food. 4. Staphylococcus aureus. Effects on the body: skin infections, boils, abscesses, blood infections, sepsis, post-surgical wound infections. Can become antibiotic-resistant MRSA strains. Pathogenic strains of Escherichia coli, E. coli, O157, H7. Effects on the body: severe bloody diarrhea, kidney failure, hemolytic uremic syndrome, life-threatening dehydration. Transmission: contaminated food and water. 6. Clostridium botulinum produces one of the most powerful toxins known to science. Effects on the body: muscle paralysis, difficulty breathing, can cause death by respiratory failure, found in improperly canned foods, low oxygen environments. 7. Neisseria meningitis. Effects on the body: causes meningitis, infection of brain and spinal cord, high fever, stiff neck, rapid progression to death if untreated. Viruses and fungi, additional microbe threats. Besides bacteria, other microorganisms also affect human health. Viruses: influenza, virus, flu, coronavirus, COVID-19, herpes viruses. Fungi: Candida albicans, causes oral thrush, causes yeast infections. Antibiotics, friend or enemy? Antibiotics are powerful medicines designed to kill harmful bacteria, but misuse creates serious problems. Kills beneficial bacteria, weakens gut microbiome, leads to antibiotic resistance. The World Health Organization considers antibiotic resistance one of the biggest global health threats of the 21st century. Scientific insight: what research shows. The Human Microbiome Project revealed humans function as superorganisms. Microbes influence metabolism, immunity, and even brain function. Future medicine may focus on microbiome therapy rather than only drugs. Scientists are now exploring treatments like probiotics, fecal microbiota transplants, personalized microbiome medicine, how to protect your microbiome. To maintain a healthy microbial balance, eat fiber-rich foods. Include probiotics, yogurt, fermented foods. Drink clean, safe water. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Maintain hygiene, hand washing. Eat properly cooked food. Conclusion: the human body is not just a biological machine. It is a living universe. Inside you exists an invisible ecosystem of trillions of organisms, some protecting you, others capable of causing devastating disease. Health is not just about the body alone. It is about balance. Balance between human cells and microbial life. And understanding this hidden world may be one of the most important steps in the future of medicine.